Apple Watch Series 7. Yep, that's right, new Apple Watch. Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new Apple Watch. I'm upgrading from the Series 4 watch. So, I'm going to just take this off. Set this aside. Actually, today's my birthday. I'm getting this for my birthday, so yay. Actually wanting to upgrade, so I don't know, I'm gonna probably keep that. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna open it, because then I'm gonna use the red band for right now. Didn't realize my iPad could zoom out. I'm also recording this on my iPad because this is the best way to record since I'm on my tripod one. Is this the 40? No, this is 41mm. Okay. So, I like the medium part. Brick, so I'm gonna have to go find a power brick. Now I gotta get a screwdriver. Oh, sorry, turn on. I'm gonna try my current case. I don't know if it's compatible. I hope it is. Ugh. No. No, it doesn't fit out. I don't know. Let's put on the band. Before I forget. Alright, so I'm back. I didn't realize I had my phone back in my pocket. Let's see, I need to go into the Apple Watch app. Continue. Set up for myself. Fine, I'll put you on my charger. It's really hard. No, apparently. Probably doesn't help that I have this case on. Okay. Let's see. Yes, reset. Rip. Let's see. Okay, so resetting the old node. Let's see what's in here. Product red. As usual. If you wanted to pause and read that. Let's see. Just tells you safety warranty thing. So, start pairing. I'm probably gonna have to update it. Probably. But yeah. I'm going to pause at one of those things, yeah. Okay, well this one changed, and I guess the other one is too. Continue. Where's the USB-C adapter? We'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm going to unbox the new charging cable. I found a brick. I don't know if really it's even that satisfying, but now it has the Type-C, so gotta use a brick or my outlet. They don't have the thing. Let's see. I need to plug it in. Okay. Let's see. Let's put you on the charger. Let's see. Turn you off. It's kind of hard to do with a short cable. Fine, software update. Because I am probably gonna have to do a software update in order to use it, but it's fine with me, so. Cancel. Okay, activating. Insert a few months later here. Okay, so I forgot I was supposed to be recording, but the watch did update. I successfully updated the watch, and then for some reason it decided to unpair and reset over. So I compared it again, asked it to do an update, and it actually just went to, oh, do you want to set up as a new watch or restore? To restore, went through some things, and so we're setting up right now. I did that off camera as I forgot that I was supposed to be recording this, but I almost forgot to. Yeah, but right now I'm restoring the backup from my old watch. I gave my old watch to my dad, so I really don't have a use case for my old one at this point, so might as well give it to someone that kind of needs an Apple Watch, so yeah. So I'll be back when it's done. So alright, so I'm just gonna time lapse this as well. I want to do a funny meme, so time lapse for right now. Okay, so where is my one watch face? Where the heck am I wearing white Nike? That only on my old one? What? I mean, I guess I could try this new one. I'm going with the red. I need to know the battery. Set. Now, there's some things I do need to do. Let's see. Oh, it's downloading some other apps. Okay. I'm gonna try to figure it out off camera, but I really wish I had my Nike watch face, because I liked it so much, but I guess I'm gonna have to move on. So, oh well. I mean, sometimes you gotta move on, so. Well, I'm going to actually just wrap up the video at this point. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.